We got her keys and she has the alarm on thing. Hopefully it works. I don't know if it works or not. And we're gonna see if she comes outside and hide in his car. Live right across the street. And he has his mom's car, so we'll be fine. Let's go ahead and get in. Alright, how do I get in? How do I get in the trunk?
Get in.
Go.
Can you see the car in that window?
Open them.
Your car.
This window? Yeah. Close it. I wanna see. Okay. Hopefully this works.
Okay.
Hopefully this works. Hide too.
Go ahead and activate. Hold it.
Oh, why did I do that, JD? Oh my god, I might get in trouble. JD, I might get in trouble, JD.
It's the unlock button.
How do I turn it off?
You gotta go to the car and
Hurry up.
unlock it. Oh,
JD! Oh my god, she's coming. Open the door, open the door. Tell her it's a prank, tell her it's a prank. Tell her it's a prank! Okay, guys, bye guys.